Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again with another back-to-back Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Hope everyone had a good Saturday so far. Everybody is safe. We made it through this week. It is a warm one outside, so I'm definitely staying in, doing some unboxing videos for you guys. Get some good deals on them. This is coming from Lee Lightning Ever. 6-watt LED desk lamp, 6-watt dish lamp. Oh, it's one of those clamps. I got a good desk I just got a few days ago, so I'll probably clamp that onto that. But for now, we'll show you what this guy is all about. Of course, you guys could get one at a low cost. All you gotta do is click on the link down below. This will be perfect for all you college people going out to your dorms this fall season, so you guys might want to take a look and see what else they have to offer you guys. But this is definitely going to be a nice one. Excited for this. Go. Oh man, it's going to be a strange cut. But got good scissors. I'm going to open it up like this. So, definitely I can't believe how fast this year went by already. Fall is here almost now. Football is here. Preseason, and then college is coming in 21 days or so. So it's moving. I'm ready for the fall season. This heat wave right now, we guys kind of a little hot for me. I like 60, 70 degree weather. Perfect. No humidity. No snow. Let me get this thing out of the box and right onto the desk. So this is the desk lamp. I got the mounting brackets, all this good stuff. Fun times, I tell ya. So you guys can have some fun with it too. All you gotta do, click the link down below. So parents, this would be a great gift to give to your sonny, your daughter that's going out into the new world. So here we go. Oh, that's nice. I have to open it. It looks really nice. There we go. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. One more. One more. Alrighty, we got it. This is what it is. I got a clamp there. Ooh. There's a light. I'm gonna try to shove it in there. Even kind of comes with a lampshade. Sweet. I can't wait to see what this looks like lit up. Alright, this should be fun. Hopefully it's nice and easy. Oh, this ain't bad. Got the clamp. So you put it through here probably. And then got some screws. Screw it down. This must be the power cord. I do got a socket ready to plug in. Alrighty, but this is definitely nice. Nicely made. It's lightweight, easy to store away. But especially you guys doing the finals, exams, and all that good stuff coming your way, you might need an extra light. So we plug it in. Like so on the bottom. I'm gonna plug this into the wall socket. Give me 1 second. Get things situated here. There we go. Alright, that's plugged in. Now, alright. Should be interesting to do. Oops, it's hanging. Oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Easy. Nice and easy. Alright. Which way do we stick it? Alright, so you go like this into that hole onto the clamp. It should clamp. There we go. Oh, that's sweet. And if you guys could find a permanent spot, there's those screws for that. Like I said, this could be just for a quick demo. And I'm probably going to have it downstairs into my new desk. So, but you guys can put it anywhere you want once you get yours. Like I said, this is really nice. We're about to test out the lighting, see how bright it is. I'm sure this is going to be a good one. Alright, it's got a twist. And trust me, I got a round table right now. This is not the greatest, but I'm sure it'll clamp. Huh? It holds. But hopefully I'm long enough to make this video for you guys. Where is the button turning on? Oh, on top. Oh, wow. Oh, this is sweet. Uh-oh. So this would be good for your office desk at work. Oh, sweet, it does hold. Alright, let me shut the light. Give me 2 seconds. 1, 2. Presto. I should have done it darker, but you guys catch my drift. How bright it is. Right there. Pretty bright. Like I said, I got it clamped right there. Not the greatest table to do it. Hold on, let me adjust it a little bit more before it falls. I don't want this thing to shatter. So, thank you guys at LE on Amazon for sending me this. So, but this is what it looks like. Adjustable and everything. So, look at that. Bam. And the power button's right on top. Right there. Got the LED light right there. Shine on a globe. Pretty bright though. And like I said, adjustable. All the way up. Let's see how it goes high. So almost like an extra bedroom lamp. All the way down. There we go. Alright, YouTubers, check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get this shipped to you in no time. Be safe, have a good one, and see you.